all are filing the GSTR-3B return since July 2017. But certain points which we need to keep in our mind very carefully, because this is the root cause of every notices under GST. Because the tax payment is due to GSTR-3B return, and we are filing the GSTR-3B return regularly. We are declaring our sales, we are declaring our purchase, and providing the set of related provisions or following the same in our GSTR-3B return, and based on that, departmental authorities raising the demand. So certain points which we need to keep in our mind, I am going to discuss in this video. Number one, our sales should match with GSTR-1 return. There may be chances after filing the GSTR-1 return, you have made certain changes, because to file the GSTR-1 return, due date is 11th of subsequent month. There may be chances you have made certain changes in your sales after filing the GSTR-1 return, but give the effect in the next month in GSTR-3B as well, when you will give the effect in GSTR-1 itself, so there will be no mismatch. Number two, your purchase, your input tax credit should match with your GSTR-2B statement, because it will give an indication to the departmental authority directly, system generated, that there is a difference, and departmental authority may take your case for scrutiny, for audit, and for assessment. This is a red signal. So we just need to keep in our mind that our input tax credit should be in line with GSTR-2B. Now, sir, whatever ITC which is there in my GSTR-2B, whether I can claim the same in my GSTR-3B? No, not at all. You need to keep in your mind, if any 17.5 blocked ITC is there in your GSTR-2B, you should not claim the same. If there is any personal expenditure for which the ITC is showing in your GSTR-2B, you should not claim. If you are into exempted as well as taxable supply, you have to carefully examine and calculate the reversal as per rule number 4243, then after you have to claim the ITC. So these are the important points which we need to keep in our mind from the perspective of ITC while claiming from GSTR-2B. Every reflection is not your right. You need to keep this point in your mind. This is about purchase and sales, but GSTR-3B has a lot of other things as well. Like in your financial statement, if you have booked any expenditure on which the reverse charge mechanism is applicable, you have to carefully show in your GSTR-3B return, pay the reverse charge mechanism on goods and services, and claim the input tax credit as well in the same month. And also, if you are filing the GSTR-3B return delayed, system is not going to automatically calculate interest in many situations, but you have to pay, because system has an idea that you are filing the return delayed. System will automatically highlight that this person has filed the return delayed but not paid the interest, and in future departmental authority may take your case for scrutiny. To save ourselves from scrutiny, for assessment, for audit, we just need to keep this point in our mind as well. Also, don't file the GSTR-3B return merely based on the data which has been generated by the client or which has been provided by our client. We need to keep in our mind, if there is any special transaction, whether the valuation is perfect or not. If there is a change in rate of tax, whether the time of supply related provision has been followed or not. While claiming the input tax credit, keep in your mind regarding the place of supply provision. कहीं ऐसा ना हो, the ITC which is not available to you, not eligible to you due to place of supply, and you are claiming the same. Also check the classification as composite and mixed supply as per section number 8 is perfect or not. These are the important points which we need to keep in our mind while filing GSTR-3B, because this is not merely a return. This is a statement, this is the kundli which you are providing to the government regarding your sales, purchase, and your business nature. So keep these points in your mind, file your GSTR-3B return perfectly, save this information, and follow us for more such updates.